Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to roll back Windows 11 to Windows 10 if you recently upgraded from Windows 10 and want to return to your previous version. This method uses command prompt and does not require a USB drive or Windows installation media. Before starting, make sure your Windows 10 rollback files are still available. If Windows has already removed them, this method will not work. Let's get started. First, click the Start button, type CMD, then select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command exactly as shown on the screen. DISM/online/get-OSUninstallWindow, then press Enter. This command checks whether the rollback option is still available on your computer. If you see an uninstall window value, such as 10 days or another number greater than 0, you can continue with the rollback process. Now type the following command, DISM/online/initiate-OSUninstall, and press Enter. This command starts the process of restoring your previous Windows 10 installation. After running the command, Windows will prepare the rollback. Now restart your computer to complete this operation. Type Y. During the restart process, Windows will restore files, settings, and applications from your previous Windows 10 installation. This may take some time, so be patient and do not turn off your computer. Once the process is complete, your system will boot back into Windows 10. You can then sign in normally and continue using Windows 10 just as before the Windows 11 upgrade. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.